to be careful because it might hit you on the head. Push. Wow, and here you have Papago Resort in Chishang. After the nice experience at the Luanshan indigenous village and in the forest, we are now at the Papago Resort in Chishang, where we will stay tonight. Let's go inside and have a look. It's a holiday-style resort. That's the lobby. There you can see they have an area with pool, palm trees, kind of Mediterranean vibe going on. Oh! Hello. Not sure what's going to happen now. Maybe they're going to dance. On the 5th floor of the hotel, you have the best view of the whole complex. You have a balcony. Let me show you. Push. Wow, and here you have first the inner area with a swimming pool. Over there you can see the villas, and beyond is the beautiful East Rift Valley. We just boarded a mini train offered by the Papago Hotel. Papago Hotel, bye bye. Taiwan style entertainment. So here you can learn a bit about irrigation and stuff like that. They have a channel here where the fish can migrate up or down the stream. Very interesting. Oh. Sunflowers. Behind the Papago Hotel is like a farm area with flower fields. I think this originally was a sugar factory. If you want to do some stylish camping, you can stay in one of those. Airstream, I don't know how they're called, Airstream. Okay, let's have a look inside. So here you have the living room area, little table, there's air condition, refrigerator, I guess, small TV, toilet, maybe the shower is inside, I don't know. Kitchen sink and a little bed over there. Not very big bed. We don't want to sleep there with someone like him.
Nobody like me.
You don't want to sleep there with me.
Yeah.
You have to be careful because the trees up there, the fruit is falling down. might hit you on the head. Not the private. We are now at the villa area where you have like private little houses. Definitely more expensive than the rooms. Nice flowers. Let's have a look at one of the villas. Oh, that's nice. Pool. Can go outside. Can rest there. Get bitten by mosquitoes. There's a bit of whirlpool action going on. Let's look how it looks from the outside. Oh, can't see much. So if you want to spend even more money, you can rent this house for a day. They don't smell. What's in here? Whoa, the master bedroom. Smells nice in this room as well. Let's check out the bathroom. Here we have the hot spring area. Cool. I don't know why there's a ladder here. What for? You don't need the ladder for the, I don't know, you don't need it for anything in here. We are at the restaurant. Oh, this is very big. No one is eating yet. It's a bit early. The food is really good here.